Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about something that has helped us through our summer to put a little education in there sometimes. So what we found was Magna-Tiles. So these are wonderful to play with. My son is 10 and he has played with these for years. He loves them. They come in all different shapes and sizes. They've got triangles in all different colors. And they're very fun to play with. They stick together really well. I've had some other ones that are off-brand and they don't stick together as well as these do, but these ones hold up really well, especially when your little guy likes to destroy things. So we've never had a problem with them cracking or breaking, which is nice because they're hard plastic and they stick together really well. They come apart really well and they're very durable. So you can kind of see from ours that we've had these for a while. They've gone through the ringer and they're still durable and still ready to go and play with. So this has really been something fun and creative that my kids can play with through the summer. They really enjoy it. I really enjoy it, and I think you will too. And that's just my point of view.